Moneymane and the thing of a T and playing no games. Now they already know my name when I speak in CC Flame. Got my YouTube poppin', man. Like, subscribe, and everything in between. You already know Moneymane. Moneymane. You already know I have it. Savage in myself. Welcome back to another episode of that Moneymane. You already know. We gonna go ahead and jump straight into it. Y'all see the title. Y'all see the thumbnail. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share, and tell your friends about that Moneymane. You already know. And no, I'm not financial advice. This is not financial advice. I'm just telling y'all the plays that I'm on. This is just for entertainment purposes only. Now, y'all see what it is, man. We jumping straight into it. Bitcoin, man. I had told y'all on my last couple videos, man, Bitcoin was gonna come down. When I had made that video, we was still way up here in the 70,000. Then you see, we done came down. And look at my levels, man. These lines right here are my levels of support and resistance that I got on here. And during the day, depending on you watching this video, we had came down all the way below 60,000, right at 60,000 right here where it was right here. You know, we came back, we touched 59. Now, everybody know the halving event is coming up. We only like 3 days away on that halving event, and it's gonna get crazy because I told y'all, man, my last video, go watch that video. We'll go watch the full video. My last two videos, man, I was telling y'all Bitcoin gonna have a sell-off at the halving event because everything I ran up, everybody just waiting for the halving event. The halving event gonna come. Bitcoin ain't gonna be where everybody think it is. They're gonna sell off. They're gonna sell off. That's just my opinion. You know what I'm saying? Just my opinion. Not saying it is, not saying it ain't, but hey, like I said, I ain't trying to get sued. And I'm telling y'all, man, it's a sea of red on the crypto market, man. It's been this way since over the weekend, man. Over the weekend when all that war stuff, talk, whatever going on, you know what I'm saying? Crypto been down. And I mean big down. A lot of these tokens 20, 15, 12, 30, 50, 80, 90% down, bro. It's ridiculous, boy. Take this opportunity, not financial advice, but take this opportunity to get some of those crypto millionaires on my videos, them crypto millionaires. I told y'all about it. Go ahead and start scooping some of those up. Now, we going to have another run up. People saying we going to have another run up, but nobody really don't know when because we haven't had the altcoin season yet. We done had the Bitcoin season. We done had the meme coin season, but we still ain't had the altcoin season yet. So we still waiting on the altcoins that get their next run up. Now, if they get their next run up, that's going to be the time to get out. Get up and get out. Don't hold these things long term because after that, crypto going to come back down. Then we got to wait a couple more months. Then boom, Bitcoin gonna skyrocket after the halving event months later. I'm just telling y'all, man, what I'm telling y'all, hey, book it. If you don't believe it, you just don't believe it, boy. Like I said, it's just my opinion. But that's what I've been hearing. That's what I've been seeing. That's what I've been, the cycle of Bitcoin after the halving event. It doesn't happen exactly at the halving event like a lot of people was thinking. Because the chart was showing that we supposed to have the downtrend like we having now before the halving event, then the run up on Bitcoin. But it's flipped right now. But y'all see all these coins red, bro. Red on the week, last 7 days is crazy. I ain't gonna get in no particular coin, but we're gonna take a look at the levels of Bitcoin right now. So this right here, my Saturday, was exactly what I was just talking about, man. You see these moments with it right here, 2013, 2017, 2021. You can see the moves that Bitcoin made back after those halving events. Then you see what I'm saying? So basically, in 2013, Bitcoin had ran up 60,000%. 60,000% it had ran up. And then in 2017, it had ran up 12,000%. 2021, it ran up 2,000%. In 2024, right now, it done ran up 350% already. Now, like I said, as you can see, these had the pullbacks before it started to run up. Get what I'm saying? Every time, 2013, as you can see right there at the beginning, it had the pullback. And then months later, over the months and later, Bitcoin ran all the way up. 60,000%. Same thing in 2017. It had that pullback, 12,000%. 2021, pullback, 2,000%. 2024, opposite. We had to run up before we did the pullback. Now, with everything coming down, correction needed. Stock market, everything needed. Because we had been on a bull run since 2024 started. We've been on a bull run. And we had minor pullbacks, but we needed a big correction pullback. And that's what I think we're getting right now. And before we springboard up, but it ain't going to be as fast as people think it is. It ain't going to be as fast as people think it is. But Bitcoin, man, the trend got a little messed up because of them spot Bitcoin ETF with the institutions buying all this Bitcoin, trying to fill their ETF. Everybody, all these retail investors that went in Bitcoin, they finally in Bitcoin. That's why the price, just my opinion, that's why the price is still up high like it is right now. You know what I'm saying? But all my opinion, I'm just telling y'all can look and check it out for yourself. You know what I'm saying? You ain't got to believe nothing I'm saying. You see it right here on this chart right here of 2024. That's what we looking at right now. We looking at that right now, man. Y'all see that right there? So let's go to the next one. Just like my chart, this is the better, clear chart of what Bitcoin movement, because we had this red candle right here. It was a couple days ago, earlier this weekend. We had this red candle right here, man. Usually that candle will close above this line right here, but it didn't. It didn't. So, like Starts With Josh was saying, this is where I got this from. Start With Josh. Shout out to him. He said, if the next candle doesn't close above or we get to 80K before the halving event, Bitcoin coming our way back down to 49,000. That's what he said. Just our opinion. If we don't get to 80K by the halving event, Bitcoin is coming down to 49,000. How true that is, I don't know. We shall see. But he also said if we did hit that 80K, then we probably going to consolidate, trade sideways, and then get that movement all the way up to 171,000. Not saying it's going to be a straight move up. You're going to have pullbacks. You're going to have consolidation. You're going to have all this Black Swan news, like what's going on, the war, whatever they call it. Black Swan event got everything coming down. Now, they usually last 2 weeks before the market can turn around. So this the first week. Depends on you watching this video. Next week going to be the second week. Then the week after that, the third week, boom, the market should go back to where it was. That's when we can probably see that altcoin season start to run up. Maybe, maybe not. Who really knows? You know what I'm saying? But like I said, right now, whatever that candle, depending on closing, if we don't get to close to 80K, more than likely we're not, because we just looked at it, it's down to 61,000. Then we coming back down to 41,000. So that's what I'm expecting. But we're going to, like I said, it might not be a straight down, a line straight down, but we might get back down to that 49,000. Then that's when I'm planning to load back up. And then I'm just giving y'all a little sneak peek, because I'll make a video about that too, you know what I'm saying? Probably going to jump in a Coinbase call option. Gotta get back on this stock market, because I could have made so much money on that Coinbase. Y'all don't know about it. Join the Discord, link down in the description. I could have made so much money on a Coinbase call option that I added to the watch list. I didn't buy it. I just added it to the watch list. But I should have bought it. But I could have made at least $4,000 off of $100 or less. I can't remember the exact price, but I know it was 100 or less that I could have made $4,000 off a Coinbase call option if I would have bought it instead of just adding it to my watch list. Crazy. But that's it, myself. You know what I'm saying? I ain't want to make the video too long. But like I said, if you ain't in it, you ain't got to get in it. Just my opinion. Not telling y'all to buy, sell, trade, or swap. But it is what it is. My savages! Moneymane in the thing of a T and playing no games. Should already know my name when I speak in CC Flame. Got my YouTube poppin', man. Like, subscribing, everything in between. You already know Moneymane. You